Now, with OpenAI ChatGPT directly inside Microsoft Excel, data analysis is becoming faster, easier, and much more intelligent. In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze Excel data using ChatGPT even if you are not an Excel expert. And by the end, you'll see how AI can turn large, confusing spreadsheets into useful insights within seconds. The first thing you need to understand is that ChatGPT inside Excel, it can actually help you understand your data, summarize information, identify trends, explain patterns, generate formulas, clean messy spreadsheets, and even suggest what you should pay attention to. Imagine opening a spreadsheet with thousands of rows of sales data, customer information, expenses, or reports. Normally, that can feel overwhelming, but now, instead of manually checking everything yourself, you can ask ChatGPT simple questions in plain English. For example, let's say you have monthly sales data. You can ask ChatGPT which products generated the highest revenue, or which month had the lowest sales, or find unusual patterns in this spreadsheet. Within seconds, ChatGPT analyzes the data and gives you direct answers. This is where things become powerful because you are no longer limited by your Excel skills. You simply describe what you want to know and AI helps you find it. One of the most useful features is summarizing large data sets. Many people work with spreadsheets that contain too much information to understand quickly. Instead of reading thousands of rows manually, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize the data, identify trends, explain customer behavior, or highlight important changes. For example, if you have financial data, ChatGPT can quickly explain where spending increased, where profits dropped, or which products are performing best. This can save hours of work. Another huge advantage is finding hidden insights that most people completely miss. Sometimes spreadsheets contain patterns that are difficult to notice manually. ChatGPT can help detect sudden changes, unusual values, repeated issues, or performance trends. You can ask questions like, which employees had the highest sales growth, or which products are declining over time, or are there any abnormal numbers in this data set? This makes Excel feel less like a spreadsheet tool and more like an intelligent assistant that actually understands your data. Now, here's something extremely important. The quality of your results depends heavily on the questions you ask. Beginners often type very short prompts, but better prompts produce much better analysis. Instead of saying, analyze this data and find the best products, try something more specific, like analyze this sales data and identify the top-performing products, seasonal trends, and unusual drops in revenue. The more context you give ChatGPT, the more useful the analysis becomes. ChatGPT can also help clean and organize messy Excel files. Anyone who works with spreadsheets knows how frustrating inconsistent data can be. Empty rows, duplicated values, incorrect formatting, missing information, and random text errors can destroy productivity. Instead of fixing everything manually, you can ask ChatGPT how to clean the data, remove duplicates, or organize categories automatically. Even beginners can suddenly handle complex spreadsheet tasks much faster. One feature many people overlook is asking ChatGPT to explain the meaning behind the data. Most tools can create charts and tables, but ChatGPT can explain the numbers actually mean in simple English. This is especially useful for students, business owners, analysts, and office workers who need to present reports or make decisions based on spreadsheet data. Instead of staring at numbers and guessing, you can ask ChatGPT questions like, what are the most important insights from this spreadsheet? Or explain these trends like I'm a beginner. And here's where things get really interesting. Once you start using ChatGPT for data analysis, you begin thinking differently about spreadsheets. Instead of spending most of your time organizing data manually, you spend more time understanding the results and making decisions. That shift alone can dramatically improve productivity, especially for business, finance, reporting, accounting, marketing, inventory management, and analytics work. Before you finish this video, I want you to try something simple. Take any Excel spreadsheet you already have, even a messy one, and start asking ChatGPT questions about the data in plain English. Ask it to summarize the information, find trends, identify problems, explain patterns, or generate insights. Once you see how quickly AI can analyze spreadsheets directly inside Excel, you'll realize that data analysis is changing completely, and people who learn these tools early are going to save an enormous amount of time in the future. That's it for this video. I hope it was useful. If so, then please like and stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.